subject is find your center deep within. Let us see the sutra, then we will enter into the subject. Kumbhitare chitavapi puritava yada bhavet tadadante shantanamasav shaktya santa prakashate. Kumbhitare chitavapi puritava yata bhavet tadante shantanamasav shaktya shanta prakashate. When breath is all out and stopped of itself, or all in and stopped, in such universal pause, one small self vanishes. Still we are working on breath. First 9 techniques, Shiva speaks only on breath. You will be shocked. Just on breath, 9 meditation techniques. Because he is taking us to deeper and deeper levels. He is trying to give us deep experience of our own being. Breathing is the thing which is continuously happening in you, in spite of you, whether you want or not. Be very clear, you are not breathing because of you. In spite of you, you are breathing. In spite of you, it's happening. That can be used as a beautiful method to take jump into cosmic energy or into yourself. Here, Krishna is taking us, Shiva, sorry. Anyhow, I can justify. On breath, Krishna and Shiva both are given many techniques. Even in the Dhyana Yoga, Krishna speaks elaborately, extensively on breath. Shiva is taking us step by step, deeply. Yesterday, in the last sutra, Shiva explained how to be unclutched. He speaks about how your incoming breath, outgoing breath, and the gap, neutral space, all of them are equal. He was talking, you are liberated based on the concept of time. Now he is taking us to a little deeper. He is showing us you are liberated based on space. He is taking us to the deeper level of space. In the last sutra, he explained you are liberated, you are already what you are supposed to be. You are already what you are supposed to be. Explaining step by step, taking us into the deep levels of our breath. Through the time he explained, today he is explaining through space. We will understand how he is explaining. When breath is all out and stopped of itself, or all in and stopped, in such universal pause, one's small self vanishes. This is difficult only for the impure. Here he is adding one more word. Beautiful word. This is difficult only for the impure. Yesterday, somebody asked me, after listening to that last sutra, one person came and asked me in the Energy Darshan, Swamiji, how to practice being unclutched? I said, God, you lost. You are not understood. There is no need to practice. All you need is to understand you are unclutched. And just remember again and again, the moment you wanted to practice, be very clear, you missed the truth. You don't have to practice the truth. Truth can never be practiced. You don't have to become unclutched. You are unclutched. Your being is unclutched. The moment you ask how to practice, be very clear, you are not understood. Whatever is spoken, you can just play with words. Playing with words, you can hide yourself from others. But by playing with words, you can't hide yourself from yourself. The moment you ask how to be unclutched, let it be very clear, you slept in the discourse. You slept in the discourse. You have not heard. You have not understood what has to be understood. At least now, don't miss. Kumbhita rechita vapi urita va yada bhavet tadante santanam asau saktya santa prakashate. Now, Shiva is playing with beautiful poetic Sanskrit. He is using different words to take us into a deeper space. Let me explain with the diagram. The last sutra we understood. Incoming breath, outgoing breath. And this neutral space. In last sutra, Shiva was explaining this space, both of them are equal. The time for this and the time for this, both of them are same. The time taken for incoming and the gap between two breaths, both of them are equal. Now he says, not only in time, in space also you are one and the same. He goes to an extreme of saying, nothing is happening in you. You are already in pure conscious state. Whether the Kumbhaka is happening in you, or Rechaka is happening in you, or Puraka is happening in you, you are in a space where you are already unclutched. Whether you remember it or not, you are already in that state.